enlighten us a little bit on when you take a vehicle into the RTA, they do the inspection, it fails, they log everything.
Yeah, that's it. It's logged, right? So if you take it and it fails, let's say it fails because your front left tyre is worn out.
Yeah.
When it goes back for the retest, you have so many days to take it back for a retest, 28 days, 14 days for a retest, 14 days. So you take it back
And
for
do you
the
have
retest.
to pay again for the retest?
70 dirhams. So
Okay.
it's like just under half of the full test price. But they, from experience, I don't know because I've never worked for them, but from experience, they tend to then only check the part that failed, make sure it's been rectified, and let it go. Now, I'd like to think that's not necessarily true, because if you failed because your front left tyre was no good and you just take it outside, put the rear right tyre on the front left and the front left back on the rear right, and then
possible.
put it back in, and they might. So I'd like to think that they don't just check that, but from experience, it seems that they do.